Hello everyone, this is Sifat Ahmed. In previous class we talk about variable. In today class we talk about user input. How we can take input from user. So let's start the class. For user input we use input function. This is input and double bracket. This is the function we use. So let's write a code. INPUT write your let's take a variable first. User the input, then write input function. That's it. And we can write this print hello. By using plus we can add this. Left side we can add hello, and right side we add this. Let's save the code and write the code. Now write my name Shifa, then enter. There is the output, hello Shifa. Let's build a calculator. Take user input. Let's number 1. Write this. I use int for conversion of data type. In previous class we already talked about this data type. Now take another variable which is sum, then number 1, number 2, summation these two number, then print. Let's run the code. First I write my name Sifat, then write first number. Let's write 10, then 20, and the summation is 30. Now it is your turn to practice. You can also build a full calculator which included with summation, subtraction, division and multiplication. Now the more you practice, the more you learn. That's all for today. See you in the next class.